Are your Salesforce emails disappearing into a black hole? Learn how to pull your email logs in under 2 minutes. We'll start by accessing the hidden setup menu, then request a log with the exact filters you need. Follow these 11 steps. First, click the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, from that menu, select Open Advanced Setup. In the search bar at the top, type Email Log. From the search results, click on Email Log Files. Now, click the Request an Email Log button. Set the start time for the log range. Then, set the end time. Select a mail event from the dropdown. Then choose an email direction. Your Salesforce email will automatically be set as the notification recipient. Finally, click Submit Request, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.